has led to big impact in this particular story. 3 officials of the Delhi Jal Board have been suspended. This is the big news that we are getting for you right now. An investigation is going to be conducted against the company that was carrying out this work. The guard who was on duty is missing, and efforts are currently underway to locate the guard on duty. So this is the big news that we are getting for you. Suspended. In fact, action has been taken, and 3 officials of the Delhi Jal Board have been suspended following this shocking and tragic incident. Now, viewers, as we were telling you a little bit about the sequence of events, you must have realized how his family literally ran from pillar to post, from one police station to another all night, just hoping to get some details about his whereabouts. However, early this morning, they were told that he is no more.
एक्चुअली कमल जो काम करता था रोहिणी में एचडीएफसी बैंक में काम करता था, तो उसकी जो शिफ्ट थी वो फ्लक्चुएशन बेसिस पे होती थी। रोस्टर चेंज होते रहते थे, रोज उसके जो टाइमिंग से शिफ्ट होती थी, कभी 12 to 9 होती थी, कभी 2 to 11, तो कभी नाइट शिफ्ट हो जाती थी उसकी। तो उसके अलावा कल जो उसकी शिफ्ट थी वो 2 to 11 वाली थी। तो 11 बजे वो ऑफिस से निकल चुका था, 11:15 पे वो पार्किंग से निकल चुका था। मैंने ऑफिस जाके कंफर्म कर लिया था। फिर 11:53 पर मेरी उनसे बात हो गई थी। उसने कहा था मैं इस डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेंटर पहुंच चुका हूँ, 10 मिनट में घर आ जाऊंगा।
रात में बात हुई थी? हाँ,
11:53 में
उनकी बाइक यहाँ पे मिली। हाँ, बताया।
हाँ, फिर उसके बाद मेरी उनसे लास्ट टाइम बात हुई कि मैंने कहा चल आराम से आजा भाई, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ऐसी। उसने कहा चलो ठीक है मैं आ रहा हूँ। फिर उसके बाद मैंने उसको 12:30 के बाद फोन किया, क्योंकि काफी टाइम हो चुका था, वो आया नहीं था। फिर मेरे को थोड़ा डाउट होने लग गया, क्योंकि उसका फोन पूरा रिंग जा रहा था।
डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेंटर से मुश्किल से 2 मिनट लगे यहाँ पर।
हाँ, 2 मिनट डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेंटर बिल्कुल 2 मिनट है यहाँ पे। तो फिर उसके बाद उसका कॉल तो लग रहा था, बट उसके बाद क्या नाम है, कॉल वो उठा नहीं रहा था।
Joining us on the broadcast right now is my colleague Priyank Tripathi. In fact, he has been bringing to us updates from the spot where this incident was reported from. Priyank, now some action has been taken. 3 officials of Delhi Jal Board have been suspended. What more do we know about them?
Yes, Adina, that's a major impact which has been done by the Times on the reportage, where the state government was forced to act on the Delhi Jal Board officials. 1 junior engineer and 2 more officials have been suspended. What we have also got to know from the ministers, that an inquiry has been initiated against the private company which was given this particular contract to make construction and do the Delhi Jal Board works. What is also important to note, that 2 of the security guards who were supposed to be there, whose bag and everything is still there at the location, have been found missing so far. The Delhi police officials are trying to locate them because they are the eyewitnesses who can give a clear detail regarding what could have led to this particular incident. There was a suspicion which was raised by the family member regarding a foul play behind this, but so far, since officials have been suspended, it does not look that the ministers like Pravesh Sharma, who is heading the department of the Public Works Department, have been briefed in such a manner by the Delhi police officials, which means that so far the foul play has been ruled out, but the investigation still continues.
All right. Thank you very much, Priyank. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on this story. Now, viewers, the Delhi government has also taken note of the incident and has urged their officials to look into this matter properly and find out the root cause at the earliest. Delhi Minister Pravesh Verma, in fact, was at the spot a few minutes ago. He also confirmed that the state has taken several steps to find out what really was behind this fatal tragedy. So let's tell you a little bit about what the Delhi government is doing. One, a high-level inquiry committee has been constituted. The panel has been directed to review the safety measures, and the panel has been directed to recommend disciplinary action against all those people who were responsible. The panel has been asked to identify lapses and ensure corrections are made. Recommend that. And then a detailed report is supposed to be submitted to the government. Listen in to this reaction we got from the BJP.
मुझे इस घटना के बारे में अभी पूरी जानकारी मेरे पास नहीं है। आपके माध्यम से मुझे जानकारी मिली है, लेकिन मैं सरकार से, अपनी सरकार से यह जरूर आग्रह करूंगा कि जो भी अधिकारी, जो लोग शासन प्रशासन में बैठे हुए हैं, जिनकी ये जिम्मेवारी थी, उनके खिलाफ कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई करने की आवश्यकता है।
In fact, Times Now viewers has been reporting from the site where this tragic incident took place. Take a look at this report.
Pravesh Sharma has just reached here. He has come here for inspection, and we would like to show you that this is the particular location where the Jal board was going on. Certainly, it's a very scary location where we were trying to also, look into that aspect that what could have led. Sir, you have ordered an inquiry, sir. He's trying to talk to the officials, but look at this location. It's a 25 feet deep location where the biker was coming and suddenly he fell into that. What Delhi police has also maintained that they have been taking assistance of the Delhi Jal board. We can hear the chanting against Pravesh Sharma, which is coming up from the other side. There are few of the people who have been chanting against Pravesh Sharma. But from a wide angle itself, you can clearly see that what is the situation, how Kamal could have fallen into this particular area is certainly a matter of investigation. Jal board inquiry is still going on. What we have got to know from Ashish Sood, the minister here in the Delhi government, that they have ordered the chief engineer to follow this particular investigation. But you know, from the wide angle itself, you can see that 18 feet deep pit could have been lethal for anyone, even for the car. But Kamal was on the motorbike. How he died is certainly raising suspicion. Although the brother of Kamal has also raised suspicion regarding foul play. There are individuals who have been staying in the nearby area, have also heard people shouting and screaming and fighting in the middle of the night.
Let's now move on and get you some important updates as far as this particular tragedy is concerned. Delhi Jal Board, we have learned, has now taken a major step. Delhi Jal Board Chief Executive Officer Kaushal Raj Sharma has issued directions to ensure strict compliance with safety standards at all construction sites. In fact, in the official directive, it has been clearly stated that at all small and large construction sites operating under the Delhi Jal Board, barricading, reflector tape, green nets, signboards, lane markers and other public safety measures must be mandatorily installed. Let's go across to my colleague Priyank Tripathi, who continues to be with us right now for more on this. Priyank, it's very good to see that, strict orders are being issued right now, but why were they not in place? I mean, it's supposed to be mandatory, isn't it? If there is an open pit somewhere, it has to be kept covered. There needs to be some kind of an indication or a signboard for the people, around that particular area so that we do not have a tragedy.
The minister who also came here has also pointed out that the barricade should have been there from the beginning of this particular stretch of the carriageway. He has also pointed that the gap in between two which could have been avoided. These are the specific factors which has been pointed out in the internal and initial inquiry which has been done by the Delhi Jal Board. That has led to suspension of the three of the officials. But why this kind of situation need to arise where authorities need to wake up? Even if you come to western part of the national capital, specifically Janakpuri, whole area has been dug upon by the Delhi Jal Board for construction work, but the parameters need to be followed. While I was coming here at the location, I could see that those green curtains were placed by the construction workers because they knew that something has happened very bad and they have to be pulled up for this. That's why an inquiry has been initiated against the company which was given the contract, and further details are yet awaited. Although the Delhi police is still maintaining that we have recorded the statement of the family members and we'll be taking action according to that.
All right. Thank you very much, Priyank, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on the story. We would now like to play for our viewers a report that was sent to us by Priyank Tripathi from the site.
While this particular pit was being dug by the Delhi Jal Board officials who had given contract to a private contractor, there was no due diligence which was followed. And as you can see, just a short while back, we have measured the depth of this particular location. Delhi, we can once again show. This is the location where the Kamal's body was found. What is very important that the Delhi Jal Board officials, including the JE and two more individuals have been suspended so far regarding the lapses which could have been done in this particular incident. But what is very alarming that two of the workers have been missing. This is the location where the workers were staying. They would have been staying here. They would have been there throughout the night. So what led to them disappearing is certainly matter which is being probed by the Delhi police official. At this location, what we can say that everything was as another crew is trying to show. They were very much there. The evidences are clearly showing that these laborers were there. The crate, the blanket, everything has been there. Their bags have been there, and they ran away from the location. What could have been the scenario because of which they ran is certainly making this case more murky. I beg your pardon, more dubious, because what family members have told to us that they suspect foul play. So that is one of the aspects which is being probed by the Delhi police also. But so far they have not found any kind of evidence regarding this being a murder. What Delhi police officials have been saying that the biker came at speed. This sand was also not there. He took a very high speed and then he fell into that. And no one could have seen it because even if we are standing here, we cannot see that what is there on the ground. So these are the factors which is being monitored by the police officials also. They have been probing this particular case, but the fact of the matter is that one young life has died in this incident. Now the blame game will certainly continue. Kejriwal's party has been blaming that this is a murder, but the evidences and the investigation will be the only factor which will come out with the exact kind of detail regarding the probe which is being done by two of the agencies, one from the Delhi government side, one from the Delhi police side.
And with this, we will slip into a very, very short break.